Kardom, hello and a very warm welcome to our channel Biswanath Karbi Life and to the 48th Karbi Festival 2022. Karbi Festival is one of the oldest and the largest ethnic festival of Northeast India, and it is celebrated in Taralangso. The Karbi Festival is usually celebrated in the month of February 15 to 19, but this year due to COVID-19 it has been changed to March 1 to 5. And today is the 4th day of the Karbi Festival. And now I'm here at Nothengpi Karbi Heritage Museum. This museum is based on the structure of Nothengpi, which is a Karbi ornament and which is worn by the married and unmarried women of the Karbi community. This museum is so beautiful and graceful, as you can see. The museum will preserve the Karbi tradition and culture of the Karbi community. And the museum will be open on the 5th of March, that is tomorrow, by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister of Assam.
Kardom den tao Karbi Kardom din po habis salar oveni Kardom den tao Karbi Kardom din po habis salar oveni Kardom de uridu huidilun se Kardom de uridu huidilun se lun se Bigeng den sarpoan, Kardom den tao Karbi Kardom din po habis salar oveni habis din po salar panchoy non po hochoy ichoy.
Right now we have a very great personality among here, and he is the Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong District, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, and it is my privilege and an honor to take a short interview. So, sir, ni nali phankar jui Karbi riso nimso rongaji putha ko pisi puigji.
First of all, I would like to thank Biswanath Karbi Life for giving this opportunity. Nili Ladakh Indeng Fikara Narkep Karbi riso nimso rongaji Pini kadoga verat Karbi Anglong aso gitu anarat lapen ke Karbi Anglong pen angtan gitu anarat tumhan ke chunungri bangke je ladak emethang jutang jubat emethang pendeng sompot emethang elami ki pencenglok emethang elami lun etomo lahai ke pechan je phan anutin tame hirjumi lapen ke kacarap chetu padunangji itumta Karbi itumta khai kang thim Karbi Anglong det kalil tum itu Karbi Anglong pen angtan kedo akape kadim ta kedo do lapen ke Assam long det kali ngitum Arunachal Meghalaya lapen Nagaland lapen ilitum Silchar lahai tame ilitum Karbi tum do lasi la Karbi gitu anarat tum hanile chunuri bangke je imethang elamiki methang dhorom imethang culture itumta ingchulim ituma culture ingchulim khaigang thim la so pirthia hi thia long pithia do barlong kape cha thang je phan ke do ana Karbi tumta cherap chetu du nangi lapen khai dhorom jipu pe pin bensi ele tum mangke lake kai ki dame talon bor no thengpi ke penap sikang puik po lake penap Honorable Chief Minister si Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma si penap kang puik po.
Right now we are here at Simajang stage and we are witnessing the Henup Ahikikan. Henup Ahikikan is one of the most fascinating folk dance of the Karbis. Henup means bamboo shoot and Ahi means a residue from a specific preservation, and dance means Kikan. People from various cases zone are going to perform the traditional folk dance of the Karbi, which is known as Henup Ahikikan. With this, we would like to end our report. I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching our channel, Biswanath Karbi Life. Your news anchor Anushka Tironpi along with cameraman Gawin Tiso. Thank you.